Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the Plums episode, today is January 20, Friday, and we'll be doing science and technology like every week. So please see to it that you are watching all the episodes. We are nearing the 50 episode mark, and every day five different MCQs are discussed, and it's taken by a different teacher. And if you are looking for free lectures, you can simply subscribe to our channel, Vysh IAS YouTube channel, and here you will find all these playlists free of cost. Okay, and we are adding more and more playlists. It's not like only this much. More and more playlists are added every single day. So please see to it that you are studying that in order. Okay, so first WhatsApp me, and I'll give you the foundation videos to begin. So science and tech first question for today: which of the following can be the sources for lead poisoning? So adulterated spices, cosmetics, adulterated traditional medicines, battery recycling plants, leaded petrol. So here 1 2 4 5 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 4 5 only. So this kind of questions UPSC asks every year, like mercury poisoning or lead poisoning, or even contents inside, like what is there in fast food items, what is there in cosmetic items. So that kind of match the following questions also in the last few years repeatedly questions are coming. Okay, so this is also based on current affairs only we are taken. Okay, in September October time last year 2022, many things happened based on lead poisoning and all. That's why this question is framed. So here the answer will be, answer is C, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so leaded petrol, anyway everybody will know. So with that itself, this one option you could have eliminated, because it obviously has lead, and lead poisoning can be happening. Okay, and battery also, you know, lead will be there. And this spices and traditional medicines, when adulterated, okay, they sometimes mix lead also. And in cosmetics also it was there. That was a UPSC question also, cosmetics and lead. So you should know that 1 2 3 4 5 is the answer. Okay, so a joint study was done by Niti Aayog and CSIR, highlighting that the growing concern of lead poisoning is there among children under 19 years of age. Okay, and India has the highest health and economic burden caused by lead poisoning. So for mains also, if you get a question on this much is sufficient. Okay, that's why our prelims PDF, I ask you to enroll. If you're a serious aspirant, please enroll to our test series. So this PDF, what we give explanations, is equivalent for your prelims preparation also, for your mains preparation also. Okay, that much notes and highlighting, underlining, everything is done for every single topic. Okay, and every month you are given, every month one PDF is given with hundreds of pages of notes like this. So here, if you see, all these examples which I gave in the options are places from which the Indian children are getting lead poisoning. Okay, and it is in confirmation with the findings of 2020 report of the UNICEF and non-profit Pure Earth. Okay, Pure Earth is a non-profit organization. So these bodies which you see, UNICEF, Pure Earth, Niti Aayog, CSIR, about all these also you should have a basic information, like when it was set up, and what is it, whether it's a statutory body, whether it's a not-profit body, whether it's a government body, that kind of things you should know. Okay, so again, it's costing Indian GDP when this, because obviously when some bad thing is happening, it will cost our GDP. And then here it is found that lead poisoning continues to spike in India despite the phasing out of usage of lead in petrol, the major source of lead poisoning by the year 2000. Okay, so we were phasing out lead from petrol, but still it is growing because of other sources as well. Okay, so again, slow irreversible brain damage, it will happen, and it's found in Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh. If you see, the central states and the northern states are where the more cases are reported. They account for 40% of total Indian population with highest average BBL. Okay, so now if you see this, all this information, okay, everything, if you see, it's not prelims oriented. So that is why I'm telling, whatever prelims oriented we would have highlighted with black color and in underline, that you have to note down for prelims, because prelims is nearing, I'm telling. Okay, and for mains you can overall have a understanding. Now second question: which of the following are false about INS Arihant? Okay, so it is a nuclear powered ballistic missile capable submarine developed by India. It was developed under the Advanced Technology Vessel ATV project. So two statement type question, it's always difficult because you have to know both the statements individually. Okay, and also when in one sentence this much things are there: nuclear powered, ballistic, submarine. You have to know each and everything whether it is true, because UPSC sometimes just tweaks one word out of it and then makes it incorrect. Okay, so here the answer will be D, and D means which of the following are false, they are asking, meaning both of them are false. Okay, both of them are not false. Okay, because neither one nor two are telling, that means both of them are true. So here if you see, INS Arihant is a nuclear-powered ballistic missile-capable submarine indigenously developed by India. Commissioned in 2016, it was developed under the ATV project, which was launched in the 1990s. INS Arihant and its class of submarines are called as SSBN, meaning Strategic Strike Nuclear Submarine. Okay. Now, while the submarine is operated by Indian Navy, the operations of submarine-launched ballistic missiles from the SSBN comes under the control of India's Strategic Forces Command, which is part of the Nuclear Command Authority of India. Okay, so like this, different bodies and terminologies when you see, you should try to understand what it is also, that next time when you read a Hindu newspaper or Indian Express, you will understand, okay, this is what it is being referred to. Okay, So now this has been successfully launched in Bay of Bengal, and that is why the news is there. So K family of missiles, there is a Kalam family of missiles which is named after APJ Abdul Kalam. These are basic things you should know. Okay, and I'll show you more questions today on ballistics and missiles. Today and the next Friday also, I'll show you more questions which are based on missiles. Okay, because UPSC is asking a lot of questions on that. So this again, more details are there from Indian Express only. This is taken. So India has a no first use policy. You know, we won't attack directly anyone with the nuclear thing unless somebody else is attacking us with nuclear power. So that also we have, and these kind of things you should know. Okay. And question number 3: which of the following are true about Sprut SDM1 light amphibious tank? It is the only light amphibious tank of its class to have firepower equivalent to that of the main battle tank. It can operate both day and night and at extremely high and low temperatures as well. Its maximum range is 5,000 km without refueling. Okay, so this what is its size, what is its distance, range, these are the things which UPSC always ask, and only they'll ask if these things are in news. Okay, they'll not randomly take any tank or missile or fighter jet and they'll ask only if it is a news item. Okay, so please follow a very good current affairs source and you will be able to do this. We Vysh IAS always try to pick up everything which comes in the newspaper, so we will definitely cover everything which has a chance of being asked. Okay, so here the answer will be D, that is 1, 2 only. Okay, this number alone, instead of 5,000 km, it is 500 km range. Okay, so that only UPSC also does that every time they tweak one number or figure or a person's name, and they'll make the sentence wrong. Okay, so here Russia is set to demonstrate this tank during the Indian Army's upcoming tender for light tanks. So this 125mm tank gun is the only amphibious tank of its class to have firepower equivalent to that of the main battle tank. Okay, and maximum range is 500 km without refueling. It can operate in both day and night and at extremely high and low temperature as well. Okay, then what it contains and all these things, basic information is given, but whatever is the most important, I have already asked you in the question itself. Okay, remaining for your understanding and interest sake, you can read it. Okay. So China is also doing a lot of testing in this area. That is why it is an important topic. Question number 4. Which of the following are true about the Agni Prime or the Agni P missile? It is a nuclear capable next generation advanced variant of the Agni class of missiles. The missile was developed by DRDO to replace the Agni 3 missile. It weighs less than 50% of the Agni 3 missile. So first thing is you have to know Agni missile. There are a lot of missiles for which we have a shortcut also to study. That is Patna. Okay, Patna is the shortcut, which is a trick you can tell, like Prithvi missile, Agni missile, Trishul, Nag, and Akash. Okay, so in this one thing, Agni. Okay, Agni itself has Agni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now 6 and 7 is also in development. So that is based on its range and capacity and all. Different names are there. Now another one called Agni Prime is being developed. Okay, which is as per the question, it is like whether to replace Agni 3 missile and has weight less than Agni 3 missile. So where does it fit? Where does it come in between 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, 4 and 5? That is what the question is. Okay, because it is in news. So here answer is B. That is 1, 3 only. Meaning it is weighing less than 50% of this thing, Agni 3, and it is nuclear capable, but it is not replacing Agni 3, it is actually going to replace Agni 1 and 2. Okay, Agni 1 and 2 will be replaced with Agni P, and then we will have all these Agni 3, 4, 5, 6 as it is there. Okay, I'll show you the range also of everything. So this is going to replace Agni 1 and Agni 2 missile. The 10-meter long 2-stage missile has a maximum range of 2000 km. You should know, like Agni 1 had 1000 km, Agni 2 had 2000 km, Agni 3 had 3000 km, like that. It kept on going. Okay, it kept on increasing every new edition had a 1000 km thing. So this one 2000 km, so it's in the range of Agni 2. So Agni 1 and 2 are going to be replaced. Okay, so it was successfully tested now. That is why 3 tests are over. The third test it is consecutive flight. So that is why it is now successful and can be inducted. Okay, it can be used. Okay, so here if you see, different examples and different things are given. Latest testing came after when USA announced another one, USS Virginia missile submarine. Okay, so that is why whenever USA is testing something or Chinese is testing something, we are also testing something and then showing to the world that we also are capable of all these things. If you see, this is the list in Wikipedia, you will get it. And if you see here, this is MRBM, that is medium range. These 3 are MRBM, medium range. Okay, this is IRBM, intermediate range. And this is ICBM. ICBM means intercontinental. Okay, so 5 and 6, okay, which is the new one, it is intercontinental, meaning from India, you can from one continent that is outside Asia also, maybe to the extreme, China's that side or maybe this side, like that we can, sitting here in India, we can target this missile to a longer distance, okay, because it covers 8,000 km, 12,000 km and all. Okay, Agni 6 is in development and obviously by the time next year prelims and all, it will be maybe one more version will come. Okay, now question number 5, glyphosate seen in news in context of food preservatives, toiletries, herbicides, fruit ripening substances. So similar one question came last year also. So this is a ABCD question. Either you know it or you don't know it. So the answer here is herbicides. And it is asked because glyphosate is a herbicide that is applied on the leaves to kill both broadleaf plants and grasses. And here Indian government officially restricted, okay, the use of this herbicide from now. That is why it is a popular thing, but it is now restricted, okay, because the health risk to humans and animals is high, and it's causing decline in insect population. So overall ecosystem is getting damaged. So new rules have come. So that basic information it's given here. Okay, again it's an Indian Express article. So whatever in Indian Express and Hindu comes, that obviously we'll cover. Other than that, around 10-11 national newspapers we are covering. Okay, so please see to that you read all these things, because any minute thing here, okay, can be useful for your prelims as well as mains. So again, just by watching plums, you will not be able to clear prelims. We are putting a lot of practice questions every year in our Instagram, in our community tab in YouTube, wherever possible. Okay, in WhatsApp also status I'm putting. So you have to see that every question is being prepared and practiced, and you have to have a proper understanding of the things happening around you. Okay, and science specifically itself, we have 5 tests that alone you can purchase also if you want, and that 500 MCQs will be more than sufficient. It covers your basic science, chemistry, physics, whatever questions which UPSC can ask you, that is all there in your science and test pack. Okay, so you can either get that pack, or I'll recommend serious aspirants to get the current affair pack. Okay, because current affair obviously will have a lot of science and tech questions, and this is the bestseller pack also, because last 2 years, okay, 24 months of current affair in detail notes format it is given. Okay, question plus notes format. So please see to that you are enrolling to it and clearing the prelims in the first attempt itself. So tomorrow next episode will come. Thank you and have a nice day.